Good morning, students. Last time we have discussed in the IR absorption spectroscopy about the instrumentation part, in which we have seen that when the IR radiation is emitted over the sample, the intensity goes decrease, and then it is further goes to amplifier, which can further increase the intensity, and then on the basis of the presence of functional group present in it, the spectrum is obtained over the detector. So here in this picture you can see that I have shown you some functional groups which will appear at different wave numbers, and on the y-axis we represent the percentage of transmittance. So this kind of spectrum we will get. So when the infrared spectrum of an unknown compound is scanned, a large number of questions come to our mind, like which group or groups can be present in the compound, what environments are influencing it, what type is the carbon skeleton in the compound, is the compound aromatic, and if so, what type of substitution it has. So this kind of important families giving characteristics, absorption and environmental effect on them. So today in our lecture, we are going to study about the two type of resin in the IR spectrum. In the IR spectrum, we have differentiated the spectrum into two halves. One less than 1500 centimeter and one above 1500 per centimeter. So when we talk about the less than 1500 per centimeter, it is fingerprint resin. So the resin below 1500 per centimeter is rich in many absorption peak and which are caused due to bending, whereas the functional group which is above 1500 per centimeter represents the stretching of IR radiation. So the resin which is below 1500 per centimeter, this resin is said to be fingerprint resin. Let's take an example. Some molecules containing the same functional groups show similar absorption above 1500 per centimeter, that is in functional group resin. But their spectra differs in fingerprint resin. So to identify the unknown compound, we can compare the two IR spectrum with a set of spectra of known compound under identical condition. The identity of infrared spectra of two compounds is much more characteristic than if we are going to compare their physical property. So the IR spectroscopy provides you to differentiate between the two comparable compounds with each other. So in today's lectures we will discuss about the different group in different specific resin. IR spectrum of the compound provides more information than the available in the electronic spectrum. In this we can learn almost all group absorb characteristically because they are absorbing characteristically within a definite range. So the shift in the position of absorption of a particular group can be there as it is given in the interpreted form. If there is a shift, that means it is due to the environment, which is due to the surrounding of the atoms and the molecules to that particular atom. Like suppose our sample have impurities in a compound. So the impurities in a compound can be detected from the nature of the bonds, which no longer remain sharp and well defined. In the previous lecture, we have already discussed that sometime what will happen when we calculated theoretically the number of bonds using the formula. For linear molecule it is 3n minus 5, and for three-dimensional molecule it was 3n minus 6. So by using that formula, if we got a theoretical number of bands more in comparison which is visible in the IR spectrum, we can say that there can be some reason. Either the absorption is very weak and due to which the band is not appear at a particular position. Second, if the absorption takes place in the bending region and the two functional groups are absorbing the same kind of IR frequency radiation, then they get overlapped, and instead of having two peaks, we will have only a single peak. So this is how we can say that the number of peaks can be low in comparison of the actual number. In this spectrum, you can see that in the orange region, we represent the fingerprint region. That means the characteristic region through which we can compare the two comparing organic groups which are having the same functional group but having the different skeleton of carbon. Then from 1600 to 3500, you can see that this is a specific functional group region. So above 1600 per centimeter, you can see that carbon double bond carbon, carbonyl bond, nitrile bond, hydroxyl bond, different type of amines, different type of carbon and oxygen bonding, different type of hydrogen bonding will give you the different type of spectrum. So by looking on the type of spectrum, the spectrum can be sharp, which is strong, having a high intensity, can be medium, and can be low intensity. So by using their stretching vibrations or the bending vibration, we can identify the presence of the functional group in it. So basically in this typical IR absorption range, the covalent bond ranges from 600 to 4000 wave number. And the graph shows the region of the spectrum where the following types of bond normally absorb. For example, sharp band around 2200 to 2400 per centimeter would indicate the presence of CN bond or the CC single bond or the triplet bond. So by looking on these wave numbers, we can identify which particular functional group is present in the given compound. So we will discuss them in detail in today's lecture. Thank you.